How to activate Windows. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you how you can activate your Windows 10. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to click on the settings option or the start button, right? Or click on the search bar and search for settings. And then once you're in the settings, what you want to do is you want to come down over here into Windows Update. Or actually what you want to do is you want to click on the systems option right here. And underneath systems, you will see you have a bunch of different options. What you want to do is you want to scroll down to the very bottom. Here you will see the about section right here. Let me just move this over here or maybe make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it a little bit better. And once you do that, you're going to see underneath related options, you can find product key and activation, right? If you click on it, it's going to take you to system activation, right? Here you can go ahead and activate your Windows. So over here, you can see activation state. Mine is active. Windows is active with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, which means that it is. If it's not, you can go ahead and activate it. And over here, you can see upgrade your edition of Windows. If you want to upgrade it, you can upgrade it, and you can upgrade it in the Microsoft app as well. So click on open up the Microsoft Store. Here you will see upgrade to Windows 11 or 10 Pro. You can see all the options right here, and here you can just simply go ahead and purchase the plan that you want or upgrade to workstation and enter in your payment details and your account details, which you already have. If you already have an account, make sure that you're logged in into your Microsoft account. You can see right here, let me close this up, and you can see I'm already logged in. So you will have to make sure that you're logged in into your Microsoft account, and then you can go ahead and buy the Windows options right here. Since I already have it, that's why it showed me the option to go ahead and activate it. If I didn't, I would have to go ahead and buy that and follow the exact same step. But since I already have it, it's telling me to upgrade it. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you activate your Windows 11 or 10 from the Microsoft Store. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.